puppy before training? You said you went somewhere else to train, right?
Yes, and we always used choke chains or some kind of device that caused pain. That was a lot of jerking on me, jerking on the dog, jerking on Penelope, and we got nowhere. She just figured out another way to do it, or didn't do what we were, it wasn't successful at all. So since we've done the training, she has responded. She walks on a leash, she doesn't pull. I'm not afraid to take her out in the neighborhood when other dogs are out. She can go to parks, I can take her traveling and not be concerned. She stays where she's supposed to. She sits when she's supposed to. She goes to her place without any problems whatsoever. And all in all, we are both at much better peace, and I can trust her around my grandkids she was just too rough and wild with them, and now she just is wonderful.
Awesome.